Agad-agad ko na to the reaction video. Ang barda compilation for today's video. So I won't take any longer. Let's all watch this. I'm really excited kasi kahapon absent ako. So kailangan talaga makabawi ako sa inyo. Wow, may obligasyon naman pala. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Mamaya natin titignan yung Instagram post nila. Okay. Ay, ano to? Bakit inaantok ang Ginoo natin? Nakahubad pa siya? Sobra. Nagpa-practice siya ng Japanese. Sobra cafe. Ay, ayan na siya. Ayan na. Ipasok si Multo. Kaso hindi na yan papasok si David. Hindi na kasi nakapasok na siya eh. Kumbaga PBB is not for Barda. It's for the housemate. Kaya kung isa-suggest natin na ibabalik si David, hindi yun maaari for sure. Diba? Hindi yun maaari. Ladies and gentlemen, the Multo for today's video. Hindi mo kaya. I love the Multo. Okay, what's next? Ay, ano to? Ay, at linapitan ng multo. Jeez. At linapitan ng multo nga. Linapitan ng multo si Barbie Fortesa. Ay. Napanood natin ito. Cutie. Cutie niya talaga. Cutie niya talaga. My God. Ang cute, gwapo niya talaga. Iba talaga siya. Gwapo niya talaga. Ibang-iba talaga siya. Just a smile in that face. Iba talaga siya mag-smile. Pag mag-smile talaga siya, parang napaka-precious, napaka-mahal. You know what I mean? From you, my dear, baby, just a smile in your heart. Oh. In your heart. Okay. Okay, what's next? Ano to? Saan siya pupunta? Ano naman yan, David? Ang gwapo ni David talaga. Ang payat niya pa dito. Ngayon may laman-laman na siya eh. Ay, hello. Ano to? Bad. Is yet to come. Anong movie to?
Sige na nga.
Okay. Ay, what's next? Ay, exclusive. Oh, bago to ah.
The song is really catchy by its name, right? I Think I Love You is something
I think I love you.
it's easy to remember, and I think you would want to listen to something like that even if it wasn't me as a singer, diba? Hence the top 5 and I choose.
Ay, bago lang tayo yung interview niya.
Yeah, when
Hindi pa natin ito napanood.
at first I was nervous, like I would not know how the people would react to my song, diba? And I also wasn't sure how the song was at that point, right? So yeah, so much uncertainties, but when I got to listen to it, I was really grateful for Universal Records. Well, actually last year pa lang, I was supposed to record a song, but then of course with everything that I had to do last year, I wasn't able to do it. But now we're here. To go back to your question, I did not expect it. Yeah, I mean, but then I'm a person who would always want to try everything, and every opportunity that I get, I always try to maximize it, accept it, right? So, yeah. I mean, I would sing in the mall shows, sa mga racket, ganyan. So, hindi naman siya super new to me. But of course, cover lang yung ginawa ko, syempre.
Cover.
That's different from having like your own song, right? So, yeah, let's see when I will be performing this new song, but I'm really looking forward to it. Hello, sana ay pakinggan niyo yung
Kailan kayo lalabas yung music video niya? Excited na din ako eh.
And kain kayo sa Sobra Cafe and sa Kuya Korea. And yeah, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and Twitter. X pala.
X pala. Ngayon ko lang doon nakita ng interview na to. Ay, hello. Diba? Can you just imagine? Yan yung ipagluluto niya kay Barbie. Lulutuan niya si Barbie. Ay, si Destiny.
You know? Yan eh.
Kasama si Destiny.
Oo,
Yun na
dati
yun.
ano lang yan, di ba? Construction na. Ay, ang ganda bro. So, anong gusto mong kainin?
Ay, ako? Ta.
Lagi ko in-order tapa, may iba ba? O sige, sige. Ano? Akong bahala sa'yo. Kukuha lang muna doon. Oo. Ikaw na bahala.
Gwapo ni TV. Imagine, lalaking gwapo, mayaman, marunong pang magluto. Ano, just imagine ba? Lahat na talaga nasa kanya, mami. Sa totoo lang.
The next steak naman.
Ay,
Natin ang konting pepper.
steak lang. Sana all.
So, 3 minutes to each side.
Gwapo yung mata niya. Yung mata niya talaga. Wait lang. Titingnan muna na. Ay, sige, tapusin natin to. Tapusin natin to. Okay lang mag-limang video tayo ngayon sa Bardaw. Okay lang yun. Kasi kahapon wala din naman tayo eh.
Okay, so 3 minutes na. Ulit natin. Yan. 3 minutes ulit.
Okay. Tarararat. Tarararat. Sarap. Kasi sarap mo po yan, Ginoo. Totoo lang. Oo ba yan, Ginoo? Nagsiserve ka niya sa sobra?
You like garlic? I
Garlic.
love garlic. Just like I love you.
Ay,
Wow.
just like I love you. Just like I love you. Sarap.
Na niluto ko.
Dami.
Sabi mo, gusto mo ng steak with rice? Gusto sa menu yan? Oo.
Ano sa menu nila?
Sa akin lang to? Mainit ha? Mainit nga, bago lang to. Good for ano yan actually, good for 3 to 4.
Tariho. 2,750.
Dami yan. Ang laki ng ano, steak. Try mo naman, kung masarap. Sige, try mo. May kasama fries? Oo, may kasama na siyang fries. Yes, yung rice niya, steak rice to. Pakita mo,
Steak rice.
Try mo yung rice, masarap. Ako, try ko yung ano. Kanin pa lang ulam na. Try ko yung steak. Kasi ano ako eh, mahilig ako sa steak eh.
Oh.
Steak? Yan talaga.
Yan talaga. Wait ko mayabang din siya.
Ano rice?
Ang cute yung David. Nakakainis. Super.
Pare, ano magsabi? Kung dahil sobra opo, mas like yung steak, sa marami pang iba, kaka-open lang nila sa small. Small. Bakit may ano? Here yun.
Ganda.
Bye.
Bye! Alright, there you go guys. That's it for today's video. Our Barda compilation. And this is Kiki Vlogs. I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye.